everyone, today I'm going to show you my bike and what all installations and modifications I've done on my bike. My bike is a BMW G310 GS, Baby GS, and I've named it Red Fury. Okay, and so I'll start from here, from the front, and I'll go in a clockwise direction showing you all the information, all the installation I have done on the bike. So from here, we'll start from here. This is the windscreen I have changed because in long distance it really helps. So the windscreen, I got it from an online shop called Banditos. Okay, Banditos, they are based in Kerala and they're really good. And this was for around, I think, 4,200. And then I got this headlight grill. The headlight grill, in case of an accident, it will protect the headlight from breaking. So this I got from a site called Adventure Tribe. It's a Mumbai based site. Then I got this aux lights. They are from a company called Mad Dog Scouts, a Bangalore based company, and it comes with a whole set with a wiring harness and the button and everything. So this will cost you about 5,750 for the lights plus installation plus the wiring harness for 1,000. So about, say, around 8,000 rupees for the whole thing. And then coming to this part, this is the crash guard. This is the most important part of the bike. In case of a fall, this will help your bike from getting damaged, the tank and everything. So this is from a company called VENOM ANCILLARY. It belongs to my friend ZUBAIR. And then this bash plate also, this one. This bash plate, it's so that when the stones and all off-roading, the stones don't hit the engine and all. And the radiator grill over here. Okay, so engine guard, radiator grill, bash plate. You can contact VENOM ANCILLARY in Mumbai. Then over here I have changed the these are like slightly bigger the extenders, foot pegs and the brake. So it's a little bigger, so it's when suppose you're standing on the bike, then it's a good space. Then I put this hand guard over here. The hand guard, we paid BMW about 10,000 rupees and they delivered the bike with the hand guard. But honestly, these are not the best ones, so you might want to go for a BARKBUSTERS. They are much better and in the similar price range. Okay, and then I've done some sticker graphics in Mumbai. So I've done this red and silver, keeping it similar to the color of the bike. And also here I've put the world map and also my blood group over here, so just to make it look much more interesting. And then I have this bag from Guardian Gears. This is a tank bag from Guardian Gear. It's very good. It's non-magnetic because the tank is not metal, so it comes with straps, and very good brand. It's huge. It's 28 liters, and they give you a waterproof cover with this. It's quite big, so you can put a lot of stuff, your drone, your electronics, gadgets, tripod, everything. Alright, then what do we have is, we have the top case. The top case is from a company called ASG. Okay, this is not the top of the line. If you want to go for a premium model, you can go for a company called SHAD, SHAD, which is from Spain, or you can go for a GIVI, which is from Italy. But this one is pretty good, and the price was good, and the size was big, so I got this. And then I've got some sticker graphics done on the. It comes completely plain, so I've done the sticker graphics. The reason I've done the sticker graphics is also to make it look good, and also in the night when I'm riding, it's like radium, so it will glow when the light falls on this. A headlight falls on this from another car or something, it will glow. So this is that. Then the foot pegs over here, again I have same on the other side, foot peg, and the side stand extender, so that sometimes when you park the bike in some sand or some like slush, it will not go deep. Okay, so it's quite important. Then I've got some sticker graphics done over here also, and then I have put this mobile mount. Is from a company, Indian company called Bobo. It's available on Amazon and it's pretty good. I'm really happy with this quality. I was not expecting it to be really good, but it's really good, and it's only 1800 rupees, and it comes with a charger. I have actually not connected the charger because I have got another charger which is a Cliff Top, company called Cliff Top. It's from website called Motor Usha, which are really good, and they're based in Nagpur. They have all premium quality stuff, genuine stuff. So this is around 2000. It's got a dual port for USB charging, and I've connected this charger. So this one is only for the mobile, and also I have another one. So this is a RAM mount, which I think everybody knows. RAM mount is the world's best mobile mount. So why I have two is because I carry two phones. One is for navigation, so I have only my offline maps on it, and the other phone is for my calling. So like a backup phone, in case of something happens to one phone, I still have another one. What else do I have? Then I have bought this waste bag. It's waterproof, okay, and it holds a lot of stuff. Very good, and it's from RYNOX. Everybody knows RYNOX, which is pretty good. 1,350 online, available on the RYNOX site rynoxgears.com or at Amazon. And then I have got some stuff over here. You see, these are RYNOX gloves, really good. I just did a tour with them for like around 1600 kilometers, and they were very good. They are Tornado, the RYNOX Tornado. So they're not waterproof, but they're really strong and very comfortable. Okay, RYNOX. Then we have something like this nylon tie-downs acro. So this is to actually tie your luggage, and they're really strong. Okay, they come in two different sizes, 4.5 feet and 6 feet. This is 6 feet. And also, in case of an emergency, if your bike gets stuck, if you want to pull another bike, this holds 750 kilos. 750 kilos. So you can pull the other bike or car with this. Okay. Then one more thing I've got is this. This is a disc brake lock. It's a Japanese one, and I bought this from a company called Lazy Ass Bikers in Mumbai, who also deal in very good premium quality stuff. And this is a nice disc brake. I'll just show you how it works. So this is a company called KOMINE, and it's a Japanese, really good. So this just goes onto your, I'll show you, just goes onto your disc brake like this over here, and you just press this and it gets locked. And for example, so now it's locked, and normally I'm supposed to put this memory cable and then lock it, and then this memory cable you need to put it over here somewhere. So this is basically just to remind you that you have put your lock on the bike, because sometimes if you forget you have locked it and you start in the morning and you ride your bike, it will damage your bike. So this is just to remind you that you have a lock on the tire. So yeah, I think I have. Oh, yeah, one more thing. Yeah, just this side. And I forgot to mention this. So I bought this hugger. This part, because it's the monsoon, and the bike was getting very dirty because it was splashing on the top case and on my back. So this hugger I got from TVS, which TVS PRIYANKA in PANVEL, because it was not available in Mumbai, so I had to go to PANVEL to buy this, and I got it fitted at Raw by Manish. And that's all for now, and I hope this information was useful, and you might want to put some of this. And if you have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment box, and I will answer them. And if you want to know where I bought exactly, from where, for how much, and all in detail, I'll reply you on your comment. So that's it, and I hope you like my bike, and very soon after the lockdown I'll be going to Northeast India with my bike. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and hope to see you again soon. Bye.